In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create dynamic pages in HubSpot. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, you'll start by creating a new page in HubSpot. Choose either a website page or a landing page, depending on where you want the content to live. Think about the visitor experience and the template you'll use. Some templates are already set up for dynamic content, while others may require minor adjustments. Keep your layout simple to make mapping data into it easier later on. Next, open the page editor and click the Settings tab. This is where you control technical options and advanced features for the page. The Settings area is also where HubSpot organizes dynamic page configuration. So, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the options on this screen before moving on. Under the Advanced section in Settings, locate the Dynamic Pages area. Here you'll select the CRM object that will act as the data source. Common choices are contacts or companies, but HubSpot supports other custom objects too. Choosing the right object determines what properties you can pull into the page, so pick the one that contains the information you want to display. After selecting the data source, set the dynamic page slug. The slug is the unique part of the URL that identifies each generated page. Select a property from your chosen object that will act as that slug. For example, an email, a company name, or another unique identifier. Make sure the property you choose produces URL-safe values. Avoid properties with spaces or special characters when possible, and prefer values that are guaranteed to be unique for each record. With the source and slug set, link your template's modules to the object's properties. Use dynamic modules designed to pull specific data fields into visible areas of the page. For instance, map a headline module to the contact's name, an image module to a photo property, and a rich text module to a description or bio. This connection is what turns a single template into many personalized pages based on the underlying records. A few practical tips. Choose properties that are consistently populated to avoid blank spots on the page, and sanitize values used in slugs to prevent broken URLs. Test with a handful of records to verify how different data displays, and adjust module layouts if longer names or descriptions push other content out of place. When everything looks right, your template will dynamically generate pages that feel personalized while being easy to manage at scale.